turn-of-the-century charm near downtown Clinton, ready for your touch. This 1900s home offers a lot of character and is just blocks from the vibrant Clinton Square. While it does need some TLC, it's full of potential for those ready to add their personal touch. Original wood floors and beautiful woodwork flow throughout the home, preserving its historic charm. Recent updates include a bathroom remodel with a modern tile shower and LVP flooring, and the roof was replaced about 3 years ago. With vinyl siding, the exterior is low maintenance too. The outdoor spaces are perfect for relaxing or entertaining, from a cozy screened-in porch off the main floor bedroom to a covered porch, small deck, and patio in the back. The large, deep lot offers access from an alley, providing convenience for yard projects or extra parking. Plus, the detached garage offers additional storage. Please note, this home is being sold as is and will not qualify for government loans. It needs some attention, but inspections are welcome. Price to sell. This is